Hello again, everybody. Welcome to our Breakaway SC box breaks for the 2012-2013 Panini Rookie Anthology box break number 37. Here's the last team up for auction. Here's Edmonton. Serial in the box is NE190734. NE190734. So good luck, everybody. Start off the towering defenders hit of Eric Johnson for the Avalanche. Got elite rookies of Lane McDermott for the Bruins, $7.90 to $9.99. Lane McDermott. We have a great outdoors hit of Ryan Miller for the Sabres. 162 out of 500. We got our rookie treasures dual jersey and auto Scott Glennie for the Stars. 473 out of 499. Cup contenders hit of Oliver Ekman-Larsson for the Coyotes, 868 out of 999. We got an elite inscriptions for the Panthers of Stephen Weiss. Elite rookies of Riley Smith for the Stars, 142 out of 999. And we have a stick piece from Luxury Seat for the Penguins of Jerome McGinley. We have a Royal Lineage Prime Triple Jersey of Dave Taylor, Justin Williams, and Kyle Clifford, 9 out of 50. Nice hit for the Kings. Got a Contenders Legacies of Eric Lindros for the Flyers, 837 out of 999. Eric Lindros. Game Warrior Gears jersey card for the Leafs of Dion Phaneuf. Best of Contenders of Mike Smith for the Coyotes. 162 out of 999. And the Prism Pack. Got a base of Ryan Johansson. Autograph card for the Islanders of Mikko Koskinen. And then we have a rookie for the Canadiens of Gabriel Dumont to finish it off. So thank you very much again, everybody, for watching. Hope to see you again next time.